So definite article, definite article. So we understood what is article, different categories of articles, definite and indefinite articles. Where do we use the indefinite articles? Where do we use definite articles? That is what we are going to study now. So when we talk about indefinite articles, where do we use a and where do we use an? That is the thing which we have to understand, so that you can use the articles in the right way. Okay, so now we are going to learn definite article. Okay, the definite article there is used to refer to a specific noun. See, a specific noun, that is what important here. Okay, so if the noun is not specific, non-specific nouns, there we have to use a and that is indefinite article. But here, if the noun is a specific noun, okay, the noun is specific, okay, so here we have to use a definite article. There is the definite article. So the definite article there is used to refer to a specific noun. For examples, a thief stole money from the shop. Okay, a thief stole money from the shop. The thief has not been caught yet. See, here thief, noun, noun. So we understood well where do we place the article. Articles are placed before the noun. Okay, so thief is noun, before article has been used. Thief noun, article has been used. But here we have used indefinite article a, but here we have used the, which is indefinite. What is the difference? Here you understand very carefully. Same noun, thief, but in one place we are placing a indefinite, here we are placing the, which is a definite article. Why this different? Just we have to think here. Okay, in the first sentence, a thief stole money from the shop. When you are talking to someone, you are informing him that a thief stole money from the shop, which means the listener, one who listens what you are talking, who don't know about that thief. Okay, so that is indefinite. Okay, noun is not specific, non-specific noun. So here we are using a. But in the next sentence, so now the listener understood whom you are talking about. So in the next sentence we are using that. The thief has not been caught yet. So here a, here the, same noun. We know articles are placed before the noun, but in one place we are using a, in another place we are using the. What is the difference? Why? What is the difference? So here when you talk to someone, you are informing someone that somebody has stolen money from the shop. So listener don't know whom you are talking about. That is indefinite. So in the first sentence we are using a thief, but in the second sentence you are talking about the specific that thief. So we are using that. Okay, the thief has not been caught yet. See, next example. By understanding this, you will be learning very well. See, I planted a tree. Okay, the tree has grown larger. See here a tree, here tree, both are nouns. We are placing articles before the noun. Here a, here the. Why the difference? I planted a tree. When I am talking to someone, I am mentioning to him that I have planted a tree, because the listener whom I am talking about, okay, whom I am talking, who does not know about what I am talking, okay, about what I am talking. So here I planted a tree. Now I am introducing a tree, so the listener understand what I am talking about. So in the next sentence, I am using the definite article. Okay, here non-specific, here specific. Okay, here indefinite, here definite. I hope that you have understood this now. I planted a tree. Listener don't know what tree you are talking about. The tree has grown larger. Now the listener know you are talking about the tree which you had planted already. Okay. So here we have used the. Okay. This is what? Definite article. So using the definite article, where this the can be used. First one, nouns that have been used earlier. Okay, nouns that have been used earlier. So we all know articles are placed before the noun. Nouns that have been used earlier. So where do we use that? Using the definite article. See example. My sister is making a film. My sister is making a film. The film on Nepalese folk art. So see the difference. My sister is making a film. Okay, so sister is talking about a film. The film, that particular specific film. So I have used the on Nepalese folk art. Okay. Next one, ordinals, like first, second, third, next, further. These are ordinals. So when we use ordinals, we can use the definite article there. For example, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of India. Like this. Okay. First, second, third, next, further, these are ordinals. When you refer these ordinals, you can use the definite article the. Okay. A common noun representing a class. A common noun representing a class. Look at this very carefully. Listen this very carefully. A common noun representing a class. A common noun which should represent the whole community, the whole class. So those things are to be pointed out by the definite article. See, the tiger is the national animal of India. Okay, the tiger is the national animal of India. Here I have used the. I have placed this article before the noun tiger. We all know tiger is the noun, which is common noun. So before the noun we have to use some article. Here I have used definite article. Why I have used definite article? A common noun and also representing a class. Tiger is the national animal of India. Which tiger? The community, the whole tiger, the whole class. Okay, we are not about the particular tiger. Okay, the tiger, any tiger is the national animal of India. Okay, a common noun representing a class. So this tiger represents the whole tigers community. Okay, that's why we have used the. Okay, the tiger is the national animal of India. Next, unique nouns are nouns that are only one of their kind, like sky, sun, earth, moon, etc. Okay, so we have only one sky, we have only one sun, we have only one earth, only one moon. So here in this case we have to use the definite article the. Okay, and word collocations or word combinations such as to speak the truth, on the one hand. These are all word collocations. Phrases. Okay, we know the phrases, the group of words which has no subject and verb combination are called as phrases. Word collocations or word combinations such as to speak the truth, on the one hand. Using the definite article. Next, In some other places also, these definite articles are being used. Look at this stuff. Look at the places where this can be used. Groups of countries. Groups of countries. Groups of countries means many places, many different places are united to make one whole country. Those are to be referred by using the definite article. For example, the United Kingdom. United Kingdom has many small places are made together to make one nation. That is groups of countries. The European Union, the United Kingdom. Okay, for example. Next one, nationalities or religious communities. Nationalities or religious communities. The English, the French, the Christians, the Sikhs. Okay, so nationalities or religious communities are being pointed out by using definite article. Next, mountain ranges. Look at this, mountain ranges, not particular mountain, but it is mountain ranges. Okay, mountain ranges, not mountain. Mountain is different, mountain ranges is different. The Western Ghats, the Himalayas, the Alps. Okay, so mountain ranges are being pointed out by using the definite article. Next, famous buildings. Parliament building, Buckingham Palace, the White House. So famous buildings are being referred by using the definite article there. Holy books and epics, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, holy books are being referred by using the definite article. Families, for example, the Sharma family, Paul's family, Parthis family. Okay, so when you want to mention the families, you can use the definite article. Okay, next, title, awards and honors. Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Nobel Prize, Bharat Ratna, okay, Paramvir Chakra. So these are the words and the honors are being pointed out by using the definite article. So next, which is even more important. Okay, so we know articles are A and these are all articles. Articles are classified into two categories. One is definite articles, another one is indefinite articles. Definite articles, the indefinite articles A and. We have to understand where we have to use A and where we have to use an. If the sound is consonant, that we can use A. If the sound is vowel, where we can use an. The specific noun, specific nouns are being used by the definite article there. Okay, so some places are not needed any articles. What are those places? What are those places are not necessary to use the articles. Let us understand by studying this. Okay, omissions of the definite article. We do not use the before. Okay, where we cannot use, where we don't use, where we don't need to use the definite article. Okay, proper nouns. Proper nouns, we know the nouns. Proper nouns. Okay, proper name, proper place. There we don't need to use any article. For example, New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the proper place, proper place. So we are not using any article here. Okay, the omission of the article. Languages. Before languages, English is a simple language to learn. So we don't use any article, any definite article here. Just before the noun. Japanese is a difficult language to learn. Okay, so before languages we don't use article. The names of meals, not any particular meal being referred to. Okay, names of meals, for example, dinner, breakfast, lunch. Okay, not any particular meal, not about the particular meal, but it's about the dinner, breakfast, lunch. Dinner has been served. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Buildings with reference to their purpose, like education institutions, place of worship, hospital. Okay, purposefully, if you use these buildings purposefully, those in those places are definite articles not being used. Okay, for example, I was in hospital for 2 months. Okay, I was in hospital for 2 months. I will go to school tomorrow. So the purpose of myself is going to school. So I don't use the article the. I was in hospital. Yes, I was admitted in hospital, and I was spending my 2 months time in hospital. So I was in hospital for 2 months because of my illness. I was in the hospital. For example, if you want to meet, you want to visit your friend who was admitted in the hospital, you want to meet a friend. If you go there, you don't use, you have to use the. Okay, but here the purpose of the hospital is you are admitted, you already admitted in the hospital. So I was in hospital for 2 months. I will go to school tomorrow. So read this again. Buildings with the reference to their purpose, like education, education institutions, place of worship, hospital, prison, etc. I was in hospital for 2 months. I will go to school tomorrow. Next, mountain, not ranges. So before I told you mountain, ranges, there we have to use there, but here mountains, not ranges. So here we don't need to use any article, especially definite articles are not used to before the mountains. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Next, uncountable and the abstract nouns in general sense. If you use the uncountable nouns or abstract nouns, if you use those nouns in general sense, you don't need to use the article there. For example, wisdom is better than riches, better than riches. Honey is sweet. Okay, these things are said in general sense. Okay, in general sense, not specifically mentioned. So here we don't use the articles. Okay, wisdom is better than riches. Wisdom is abstract noun and honey is uncountable noun. So uncountable and abstract nouns, if you say something in general sense, you don't need to use article there. Next, plural countable nouns used in a general sense. Plural countable nouns used in general sense. For example, beds are meant to be slept in. Elephants are the heaviest land animals. Okay, elephants are the heaviest animals. Here, plural countable nouns. Elephants can be countable. Beds also can be countable. So this is countable nouns. These are countable nouns. Plurals. Okay, beds, elephants, plural. So we don't use any articles. Okay. You have to remember one thing. Buildings with reference to their purpose, like education institutions, place of worship, hospital, prison, etc. Yes, as I told you before, I was in hospital for 2 months. I will go to school tomorrow. Okay, so this the purpose is hospital. Here the purpose is school. Okay, we use the when we refer to specific buildings. Okay, I went to the hospital to visit you. I went to the hospital to visit you. See, here I have used the, but here we did not use that because I went to meet my friend I went to visit my friend in the hospital. So my purpose is not hospital. Okay, so meeting friend is the purpose. So hospital are mentioned by using the. I was in hospital for 2 months, so we are not using the article. Okay, I was in hospital for. Here purpose, school. I am going school. I was admitted in hospital. Here I was not admitted in hospital, but my friend was admitted in hospital. So I went to meet him. I went to visit him. So I have used that. Here I don't use that. Just remember this. I hope that you have understood these articles. In the next class, we will be discussing some new topics. Okay, thank you.